Stop scrolling. 5 repos just exploded. The number 1 search is Reddit and X better than Google. Countdown starts now. Microsoft PowerToys is an open-source collection of utilities that supercharge productivity and customization on Windows. Brings Power Utilities to Windows, Fancy Zones, Advanced Paste, Color Picker, Always on Top, all free and open source. A developer or power user downloads the installer from GitHub, user scope is default, machine-wide optional. Then run any of 30+ utilities. Openwork is an open-source desktop app for sharing AI workflows, the alternative to Claude Cowork. Open-source alternative to Claude Cowork, powered by OpenCode, and it's ready to run in your browser. Paste a prompt into Claude Code, Cursor, or Codex, it installs Openwork, creates a workspace, and opens it ready to run. Hugging Face's speech-to-speech is a modular pipeline for building local voice agents with open-source models. Build local voice agents with open-source STT, LLM, and TTS, fully OpenAI real-time compatible, every component swappable. Install it with pip, launch the server, then connect any OpenAI real-time client to your local endpoint. Pascal Editor is a 3D building editor built with React 3 Fiber and WebGPU, right in the browser. Create and share 3D architectural projects in the browser, with full undo/redo, persistence, and a viewer. Install it via npm packages, load the built-in plugin, and mount the viewer in your React app. Last 30 Days is an AI agent-led search engine that researches any topic across Reddit, X, YouTube, HN, and more. An AI agent skill that searches Reddit, X, YouTube, HN, Polymarket, and the web in parallel, Google can't match that. Install it with a single npx command, then the setup wizard unlocks X, YouTube, TikTok, and more in 30 seconds. Side by side, Last 30 Days, skill and speech-to-speech both do this in Python. Last 30 Days, skill carries 56k stars, speech-to-speech 9k, same problem, 2 different bets. That's today's top 5, AI search, 3D building, voice agents, Openwork, PowerToys. Hit subscribe for daily GitHub treasure.